What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 28th. Happy Monday. So let's go over the SPY real quick, and then we'll go over the watch list right after. So let me pull that up. All right, so right now, Sun W seems like it may want to break out this 530, 532 spot. Yeah, but we're not going to trade it because I'm done trading for the day. So if we just pull over SPY real quick and see, SPY did actually, decent today, right? We know that the bill got signed today, the relief bill. So that definitely impacted the market, I think. As you can see, we had a gap up this morning. So definitely good move today on SPY. And if we just pull up the daily chart real quick and, even though it seems like light volume today, it's kind of double topping here almost on this today and over here. So let's see if today we actually break that. If we don't, it's going to be double top, which is a bearish signal. So, but let's see how it goes. All right, let's go over the watch list that I had today. Today I was watching GRNQ, BTU, AQMS, OCGN, and I believe maybe one more other stock, but we'll see. All right, so yeah, so today I traded AQMS, OEG, PHUN was another one, and PHUN, right? A few stocks, BTU, GRNQ, OEG, and PHUN. So I want to show you this one red trade I had where I gave away like 80% of my profit, and which was on BTU. So let me pull that up real quick. So let me just pull up the minute chart. Now, if you look at BTU, right? Before I made this trade, I was up $199, okay? And I took this trade for the break of this pot right here, for the break of 255, this area right here. So, right, you see resistance right here. To break of 255, I took it thinking it's gonna go and break VWAP and go up, right? But I got faked out. It went to 256 and dropped, and I gave away a good amount of profit, like 90% of my profit. I went from like 199 to 64 bucks. Not like 90%, but definitely a majority of it for sure. So, at that point, if I look back and reevaluate, as you can see, the chart is still in a downtrend, right? So if I draw this out, it's still in a downtrend. Yeah, maybe it broke this area. It didn't really broke the downtrend yet. It was trying to here, but I think it still needed more consolidation. So if you look at the 5-minute chart and see how that looks like, right? I'm just like kind of doing a post-mortem to see, if I can learn anything real quick. So if we go here, as you can see, the 5-minute, yeah, I was trying to base out, but as you can see, like this candle got broken by this candle. So this candle broke the previous candle. That could have been a bearish signal, right? Where I looked at, right? And then we saw this dip, right? So I could have looked at that. I mean, so many things I could have done, right? So that's why I think it's important to, evaluate a bit more sometimes. But I don't know. Well, either way, I think I could have done better on getting out early. So that's the one thing I could have done it for sure. But that didn't happen. So I paid the price. But even then, today, even after that, there was some good momentum, and I'm finishing the day up $210, right? Even after giving away majority of the profit, I was still able to come back up following my plan, not revenge trading, but you're looking for the stocks that have the pattern, have the momentum, have the right fit. And I took those trades and I was still able to come back and plus more, right? So I'm up 210 for the day. So this is why it's important to follow your plan. And if we look at the other stocks, right? Let me pull up the other stocks real quick. For example, GRNQ, it kind of faded most of the day, right? Faded. And then let's pull over BTU again. I was talking about that. OCGN again, faded, right? So let's look at the daily on OCGN real quick. I'm curious because this ran the other day. So, okay. Interesting. Yeah, so OCGN, and then let's go back to the minute chart. And then let's pull up. I was also watching AMRH. I missed this one. I was looking for the break of $2 right here. This wasn't on the list. It just came up on my scanner, which is, I was looking for this spot right here, break of 2, right? It kept on consolidating, and then around this area, it broke the 2, and then it left without me. So, and it went all the way up to 287. And I didn't want to chase after. I just let it go. I was like, all right, whatever. I'll catch another one. But that's the thing. I stuck to my plan. I didn't want to chase it, right? If I chase now, I can build a habit and I can get in on another stock again and chase that. And then it just becomes a very bad habit. So, but yeah, this was definitely a nice move. I'm pretty sure someone market bought the order around $2 because it kind of skipped from like 199 to like 202, something like that. And then took off from there. So, but it's all good. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, I think that was it. All the stocks I was watching, right? Sun W, it's kind of, struggling here. So it may break later. I don't know. But overall, today was a good day for me. I went from 199 to 64, now back to 210. So, for me, this is it. I'm good. I'm just gonna be done. Not gonna trade anymore and come back tomorrow. And hopefully the momentum continues. And we continue the momentum also into the next year as well to set the tone. So hopefully you guys were green as well and followed the plan, and make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. That helps me out, helps out the channel. I greatly appreciate that. And I will see you guys tomorrow.